And so today marks the first day of the 2022 hurricane season. It runs from June 1st to November 30th. And to all of our residents, it's time to listen up, to get prepared, to keep an eye out on Miami-Dade County's communications channels for the most updated information on developing storms when they happen, so together we can all stay safe. The National Oceanic Atmospheric Administration is forecasting an above normal season with 14 to 21 named storms, 6 to 10 that could become hurricanes, and 3 to 6 that could be major hurricanes. But we all know too well that just one storm can cause a catastrophic impact on our community, so we will not skip or skimp on preparations to make sure we are all safe and prepared as we can possibly be. Number 1, stay informed. Number 2, be storm ready. Number 3, make a plan. And number 4, get your shot. Although these tips may not be new to many who live here in Miami-Dade County, let's all be smart, let's be prepared, let's stay safe this hurricane season together. Thank you and God bless.